Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. I'm joined tonight by Werner from Werner's Adventures and Heather from Come Hither with Heather. She's waving at the back there. We are having a look through this old, I think it's Housing Trust apartment complex. I think it would have been. It's on a main road, so we're just going to suss it out. It's very sturdy. So far so good. So let's see what we can find here, guys. Looks like a lot of looks like the apartments are closed up. Oh, hang on. There's some up here, I think, Werner, that might have an open door. I think. Yeah. Okay, so it's definitely seen better days. Ooh, don't know what that is. Oh, here we go. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm just trying to suss it out. I'm going to have to go to the very top floor, see if we can get in here, guys. I'm going to go right up the top here. Now, there's two up here that are maybe open. Nope. Like this one. No, they're all locked up, everyone. We found one of the units here, which is open. Here we have the bathroom. Wow, that's pretty old. But only really old in the sense of maybe 1980s, 1970s. A bit of black mould there, yuck. The bathroom cupboard. We've got the bathtub there. Let's have a look through. This is number 27. There's your main electric switches there, hot water switch, English electric fuse board. That's pretty cool. It's even got the old little fuses left there. We've got a small bedroom here, cupboards, wardrobes there. Very 1980s style. Let's go over here. Here's our kitchen, everyone. We've got the Simpson Nova 503. Your little exhaust thing there. As you can see, it's very much cobwebby and spider filled. We've got old mates Danny Loglegs everywhere. Kitchen. Let's have a look here. This is probably the main bedroom. The roofing's really cool. It's got that sort of daubed paint style to it. There's your front door there. Air conditioner, heater. There's Heather from Come Hither with Heather. And Werner's here. Yeah, Werner's here.
Possibly Werner's Adventures.
That's right, yeah.
If his camera picks up
that's right. But here's another bedroom. So 3 bedrooms in this little apartment. There's the wardrobes there. So there's not a whole lot to this house, but some quick little view.
This is the only flat that was on.
Love that. English electric. How cool is that?
We
but yet it's been made in Australia.
See you next video. Bye.
Here we go. Yeah. All right, so that concludes this very short look around this little apartment here.